In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your DJI drone. I'm going to be showing you on the new Air 3S, but it's going to be basically the same for just about any other DJI drone as well. So first up, you'll want to charge your battery. The batteries never come charged. So to do that, you can either put them in the charging hub or just connect a USB-C cable right here to the back of the drone, right where the SD card goes in. You'll just plug in the USB-C cable and then plug it into some kind of a high-powered USB-C charging brick. To get maximum charging speeds, you'll want to have a brick that outputs 100 watts of power, and I'll link in the description the one that I use. And while the battery is charging, we can put our props on. If you look at the motor mounts, you'll see that some of them have gray marks on them and some of them don't have any marks, they're just black. And same thing with the props. There are some of them that have a little gray circle around where they attach. And then there are also some that don't have any circle where they attach. They are just plain black. So you want to make sure that you match the props up with the motors. You want to put the gray marked props on the gray marked motor mounts, and you want to put the black marked props on the black marked motor mounts. If you don't, your drone will try to flip over when you go to take off, and that is not good. So we'll go ahead and do that for the other two motors. Just open up the package, match it to the correct motor, and to get these to connect, just slide them onto the mount, push them in, and then turn it until it clicks in, and you've got your prop mounted on the motor. So one of these propellers just won't go on. I just realized I was ignoring my own advice, and I tried to put a gray propeller on a black motor, and DJI has actually updated it on the Air 3S so that you physically cannot put the wrong prop on the wrong motor, which is nice. So now that we have all of the propellers on the drone, now it is time to go into the app and activate the drone. So to do that, we'll need our remote controller, and we'll need a phone, and we'll need this little USB-C to Lightning cable. And as you'll notice to start with, there are no sticks on the remote, but the sticks are in the very bottom of the remote. So to fix that, we'll just pull the sticks out of the bottom of the remote and then screw them into where you'd expect the sticks to be. And do that for the other stick as well. And then to mount the phone, we'll just take this little black thing on the top and pull on it, and that will pull it out, and our phone mounts right in there. Now by default, we already have one cable already down here in the drone, but this is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and I have an iPhone 13 which still uses Lightning, so I need to swap that cable out. To do that, you'll just pull it out of where it is plugged in here, and then we are going to plug the USB-C end of our other cable into that same port. Now there are two ports here. You want to plug it back into the same one that you pulled the other cable out of. The other port is actually not really a port, it just looks like a port, so you don't want to plug it into that. And so now we'll just take our remote and go ahead and pop our phone into it like so, and then plug the cable in. I put my phone in the wrong way. And then you'll just plug the Lightning cable or USB-C cable if you're using a newer iPhone or Android into your phone. And then to activate and fly the drone, you'll need to download the DJI Fly App from the App Store, or for Android, you got to download it from DJI's website and get that installed. And you'll also need to either log into your DJI account if you already have one, or create a new account if you don't already have a DJI account. And if you already have the DJI Fly App, you may need to update it to the latest firmware to be able to use it with the Air 3S. So we'll go ahead and open up the DJI Fly App, and then to turn our remote on, we'll short press and then press and hold the power button on the remote, and it will turn on. And same thing for the drone. To turn it on, we'll just short press and then press and hold the power button, and it should start up as well. So we'll show that the Air 3S is connected and show a little activate button. You'll just click on activate, click activate, and it will activate the device and bind it to your account. And it says successfully activated. You can also choose to purchase or bind if you already have purchased DJI Care Refresh. I definitely recommend this if this is your first drone, first time flying drones, or if you're getting something like an Avata that you're going to crash a lot. In this case, I'm not going to, because I don't crash that much. Also, I'm over here in Germany. If I get DJI Care Refresh here, I would have to ship it all the way back to Europe to get any repairs made. So I'm just gonna click skip, hit confirm, and the drone is successfully activated and we can start flying it. So that is how to set up your DJI drone when you get it for the very first time. If you'd like to learn how to get the most cinematic shots with your drone now that you have it, you can check out my completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training, where I share my top 10 secrets to getting cinematic shots, covering the best settings to use, how to compose your shots, how to get smooth movements, how to edit your videos, how to color grade them, and a whole lot more. And link to that is down in the description. Again, it is completely free. Or if you want to go even deeper, I do have a full 10-hour drone filmmaking course where I go into every single step of my workflow for creating professional cinematic drone videos. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos like it, and we'll see you in the next one.